So another way to make rings is to coil them on the Hossfeld. And the Hossfeld bender has this rotary draw setup. And what I've done is taken a piece of pipe, and the pipe's got to be larger than the center pin. So it'll move around a little bit. And I've got the hairpin pin set up, and I'll drop that over the roller. So this is the basic setup for making rings with a pipe using the Hossfeld bender. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the part against the little roller, tighten it up. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pull it a little bit. It's starting to form nicely there. Now I'm going to release it, advance it, and then just keep pulling this part around. This bending dog has enough friction that it's holding it against the pipe. And you keep on going. Takes a little bit of time, but once you get the trick, it goes pretty quickly. I don't want it to go below the pipe, scoop below it, or it won't work. I'm retightening that, just kind of readjusting it. So there's coil made cold, 1/4 inch hot rolled material on the Hossfeld bender. To make rings, I would select, I think I can get a ring out of this, so I would cut across here with the bandsaw, which I'll do right now, and that'll yield 1, 2, 3, I think 4 rings. Let's try that and see. Just gonna see, I gotta make sure that I wanna make sure I can get a full ring. I'm gonna tilt, this is a little bit high, so I'll start off cutting, and then I'll tilt in. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rings. And now the only other thing we'll do is we'll just straighten them out on the vise. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back into plane. There's a couple of different ways to do it. But I think if I tap it with a hammer, I'll tap both of them to each other. And I'm trying to tap down just a little bit so I don't open up that gap. But that is the first step. I think this is pretty flat. So that's ready to weld.